Once upon a time, in a small village in France, there lived a beautiful girl named Belle. She was kind, smart, and loved to read books. While other girls dreamed of fancy dresses and balls, Belle longed for adventure and stories from faraway lands. Belle lived with her father Maurice, an inventor who often created strange gadgets. People in the village thought Belle was odd because she loved books and didn't care about fitting in. But Belle didn't mind. She was happy being herself. One day, Maurice went to a fair to showcase his latest invention. On his way home, he got lost in the woods and stumbled upon a mysterious castle. Inside, he found beautiful rooms and strange things. Suddenly, he was captured by a terrifying beast who lived there. The beast was once a handsome prince, but had been cursed by a powerful enchantress. He could only break the curse if someone loved him despite his appearance. The beast locked Maurice in a tower, and the poor inventor was scared. When Belle realized her father was missing, she set out to find him. After searching for hours, she discovered the castle and bravely entered. She found her father locked away and quickly freed him. But when they tried to leave, the beast appeared, furious at the intruders. To save her father, Belle offered to take his place. The beast agreed, and Maurice was allowed to leave. Belle was scared but determined to protect her father. She stayed in the castle, hoping to find a way to help him. At first, Belle was frightened of the beast. He was gruff and demanding, but as days turned into weeks, she began to see a different side of him. The castle was enchanted, and the furniture and objects could talk. Lumiere, the charming candelabra, and Cogsworth, the nervous clock, became her friends. Belle discovered the beast had a kind heart hidden beneath his rough exterior. They began to spend time together, sharing stories and laughter. Belle found herself drawn to the beast, seeing beyond his frightening appearance. One evening, Belle and the beast shared a meal. He surprised her by preparing her favorite dish. As they ate, they talked about their dreams and fears. Belle learned that the beast was lonely and had been cursed for many years. "When did you become so angry?" Belle asked gently. The beast sighed. "I let my pride and anger consume me. I pushed everyone away." Belle felt compassion for him. She realized they both longed for connection and understanding. In the castle, there was a magical rose that symbolized the beast's curse. The petals would fall one by one until the last petal dropped, marking the end of his chance to find love. Belle learned about the rose and understood the urgency of their situation. Determined to help, Belle encouraged the beast to open his heart. "You deserve love, just like anyone else," she said. The beast was hesitant, but began to change, inspired by Belle's kindness. One day, the beast surprised Belle by asking her to a grand ball in the castle. He wanted to show her a night of magic and joy. Belle was thrilled but nervous. She had never seen the beast dressed so elegantly. As they danced together, Belle felt a spark of love growing between them. The beast was no longer just a monster. He was a kind and gentle soul. They laughed and twirled under the stars, forgetting their fears for a moment. Just as things seemed perfect, a hunter named Gaston from the village came searching for Belle. He was determined to win her heart. But Belle had no interest in him. Gaston was angry and jealous, especially when he learned about her feelings for the beast. Gaston rallied the villagers, convincing them that the beast was a monster who needed to be killed. Belle tried to defend the beast, but the villagers were blinded by fear. The beast, unaware of Gaston's plans, continued to grow closer to Belle. One stormy night, Gaston led the villagers to the castle. They stormed in, ready to attack the beast. Belle was terrified and rushed to protect him. "Stop! He's not a monster!" she cried, but her words fell on deaf ears. The beast, heartbroken by the betrayal, fought back to defend himself. In the chaos, Belle witnessed the true strength of the beast's heart. Despite his fearsome appearance, he only wanted to protect her. In the midst of the battle, Belle realized that love was the key to breaking the curse. She rushed to the beast and declared, "I love you." The words echoed in the castle, and a magical light surrounded them. The beast, touched by her confession, transformed back into the handsome prince he once was. The curse was broken. The enchanted rose bloomed again, symbolizing their love. With the curse lifted, the castle returned to its former glory. The enchanted objects became human again, and joy filled the air. Belle and the prince celebrated their love with their friends. Belle had found her true home, not just in the castle, but in the prince's heart. They promised to always cherish each other and live happily together. As time passed, Belle and the prince grew closer. They explored the world together, sharing adventures and stories. Belle's love for books inspired the prince to create a grand library in the castle. They invited the villagers to visit, sharing the magic of stories and friendship. Belle and the prince taught everyone that love comes in many forms and that true beauty lies within.